really wanted to start this series on my channel just to help you guys in making the decision on whether you should buy a product or not. If you guys have any suggestions for me to review, I will try my hardest to get them. But for now, I'm kind of just going through my beauty supply store that I have at my own house, because yes, I have like a mini beauty supply store. It's actually quite embarrassing. I'm just gonna go through that and give you guys a review on what I have. But if there is any products you guys want me to look into, I could try. So yeah, that's it. Let's get into it. So today I wanted to share my feelings on the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. I really wish I would have had somebody who just gave me a direct answer on YouTube. There's been so many times where I would go to Walmart and I'm just looking at some stuff and I'm just like, okay, do I want this? Why would I want this? You know, just answers, but I want to just figure it out quick. I don't want some long drawn out video. And then I would like find myself skimming through their video trying to find out, okay, do they like it? But how does it act on your hair? And like, you know, whether that person liked it or not, so I could pick it up. So today I will be doing just what I've always wanted somebody to just do. Just have a quick answer to whether they would use this deep conditioner. Off the bat, yes, I would use the deep conditioner. I'm just going to give it to you straight right there. So to help you guys make up your mind, I'm going to be giving you 3 categories, which is size, smell, and the ability for it to condition and moisturize well. So let's get into this. Okay, so as for size, this is a 12 fluid ounce bottle. If you guys are in the store, obviously you can see that. But if some of you guys are shopping online, I'm pretty sure it still says 12 fluid ounces, but just to cover all bases, this is a 12 fluid ounce jar, and it's a lot. Like, you will not go through this product quickly. I've had this for 4 months now, and this is how much I've used. I honestly just take my hand and just scrape the top and I can cover a whole section. It's a very thick product. It covers all my strands. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Okay, so now smell. This product smells absolutely like Play-Doh. I'm sorry, I don't know how else to say it. It smells like Play-Doh. But once you wash it out your hair, it has the most wonderful scent. It's like, you know, when you put it on, it's like, oh my God, how are people wearing, like, why would somebody put this on their hair? And then when you wash it out, it smells like a light honey fragrance. It smells really good. I absolutely love it. So that's it for smell. The moisturization and conditioning abilities of this product. So I'm going to put a clip here of me using the product. It actually works very well for my hair. I have made this my holy grail. This product works so well for my hair. It makes my curls pop. It brings moisture. You could tell the moisture is really like going in and causing my hair to curl up and do its thing. So what I also like to do is I would put a bag over my hair, because I really am a big fan of the greenhouse method, and I will go under my dryer and just like let it steam and take in all the moisture. There was some clumps of this in my hair because this is a very thick product, but when you go under the dryer and, you know, let it steam, or even if you let your hair steam in the bag, do the greenhouse method and just sit around your house, it really just like melts into the hair. I really feel like this does its job. The ending conclusion of this review is that this product is amazing. Go out and buy it. Absolutely amazing for 4C hair. So that's it for my review. I hope that helped you guys if you're trying to figure out what Shea Moisture product you would like to use, or what deep conditioner works best. This is my holy grail. I will always come back to this product. All right, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Bye.